Yo, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hope you guys are all doing well. It's Oscar, and we're gonna do a quick little video. Again, like we usually do on the weekends, going over some stock stuff going into the next coming week. As many people know, this week is going to be a huge week for tech earnings. Mainly, we're looking at Amazon, Facebook, Meta, Alphabet, Google. We have Ford earnings this week, if I remember correctly, AMD earnings, and a whole bunch of other companies that are going to be reporting earnings this week. So it's going to be a big week, and ultimately what happens or what is going to determine what's going to go on in the market is going to be on those earnings. So yeah, it should be an interesting one, but hopefully we get some good news and we go up. I don't know, last week is a little bit all over the place like usual with the Fed talk and stuff, but this coming week should be a little bit better. So if we look at SPY on Friday, SPY was up 2.5%, up $10. Started the day off a little bit rocky. Started selling off pretty hard, but then it kind of picked up momentum, and for the rest of the day just rallied up. Ended the day off at 441.95. And then it was kind of flat on the after hours. Similar thing to QQQ. QQQ started selling off early on pretty heavily and then picked up momentum, and then ultimately ended the day off at 351.80, went up another 90 cents in after hours. So that's really good to see. Apple, same thing. Similar sell off in the morning. I think everything basically started selling off in the morning on Friday, and then picked up momentum. This was up $11, almost 7%, all the way up to 170, and up another 37 cents in after hours. And it's interesting. There's all kinds of news with Apple buying Peloton, Apple being a part of Lucid or having ties with Lucid. The world may never know what Apple's doing until something is officially announced, but we do know that Apple is a big company. Same thing with Tesla. Tesla reported earnings last week, and let's just say it went from 970 all the way to lows of 804. So there was a $166 sell-off afterwards. Earnings. Wednesday was also J-Pow's talk. So the whole market, similar to, let's look at SPY. Although SPY didn't really react as much, QQQ sold off, but then Thursday picked up. But the weird thing is Tesla kept selling and just kept going and going. So I'm gonna be honest, I had some calls going, bought some calls Wednesday morning. I didn't forget about J-Pow's talk. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more on the positive side because technically everything is quote unquote priced in. But market's reaction to what he said didn't really do well. And then there was a little bit of negative news with Tesla's earnings reports saying that there was supply chain issues and stuff like that. But I wasn't expecting $166 sell-off. But who knows? This coming week we may get back up to 970. So that should be a little bit better news. If I remember correctly, I bought another call expiring this coming week. Was it on Thursday or Friday? So anything basically above 900 or somewhere 920 will make me a little bit of profit at least. If we can get up to 970 again, that would be crazy. So anything is fair game with Tesla. So then we'll look at AMD quickly because AMD is reporting earnings this week. AMD did pretty well on Friday, up to $2.6. 2.5%, up another $1.50 in after hours. And AMD followed the same sell-off as Tesla from Wednesday up until Friday, which is interesting. So these kind of semiconductor computer processor and companies, mainly focusing on processors and big tech, similar to AMD and Tesla, they just sold off up until Friday, and then kind of started picking up steam again on Friday. So, like I said, AMD does report earnings this coming week. I watched a interesting video earlier this morning talking about Bitcoin and Bitcoin miners. Specifically, they were talking about AMD and how people might be buying more processors to be able to mine more crypto. Similar to Nvidia, they're buying graphics cards, Intel, AMD, all these computer processors and graphics cards and main computer components to be able to mine Bitcoin efficiently and quickly, and crypto in general could be doing pretty well. So AMD might be reporting great earnings. We may see. We'll have to just see what happens. And if I remember, AMD reports earnings Tuesday after hours. So like I said, Alphabet, Meta, Amazon, QCOM is reporting earnings this week. PayPal, ExxonMobil. If we look here, we have Tuesday, Alphabet, PayPal, AMD, GM is on Tuesday, MicroStrategy, Starbucks, and that's for Tuesday. Wednesday, we have AbbVie. Let's see. Wednesday, Ferrari. There was Marathon Meta here, MetLife, New York Times, QCOM, T-Mobile, Spotify, and then Thursday we have Ford. I think I'm going to be playing Ford earnings. I've had great success with Ford in the past, and here says Ford will report its fourth quarter earnings after Thursday's close. Analysts on average expect earnings to surge 32.4% year over year to 45 cents a share. Revenues are projected to rise 35.5 billion, a more modest 6.9 improvement over the year ago figure. So there's, like I said, Ford, Activision Blizzard just got bought by Microsoft, if I remember correctly. Allstate, Amazon, Boyd Gaming, GoPro, Hershey, Honeywell, Lionsgate, Merck, Nintendo, Nokia, Penn National Gaming, Pinterest, Ralph Lauren, Skechers, Snapchat reports earnings, Unity Software, and then Friday, just a few companies, but those are like the big main ones: Ford, Amazon, Alphabet, AMD. Hoping that Tesla's going to keep rising, hoping SPY and QQQ are going to keep rising. Hopefully this next coming week will be a little bit more of a more monotone color week. I guess we could say more like a green week instead of like a red week. But who knows? The world may never know what's going to happen. If Tesla keeps rallying, great. Hopefully I can make a little bit of money on that. And hopefully my earnings plays that I do happen to do this week don't go into the dumpster too bad. So fingers crossed this week's going to be a good one. Big earnings happening, and it should be a good one to everyone. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you for watching. If you did make it this far, please go ahead and drop a like. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do that. It only takes a second. Share the video with your friends and family. And yeah, thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.